I'm feeling high.
I'm making video after such a long. So, till we meet in the next video. Oh, please ignore the background. Till we meet in the next. Uncle, stop it. I'm making video. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, this is Tasmia here. I'm making video after such a long gap. So today I thought of playing with hijabs with accessories. This is gonna be the unique hijab styles. You're gonna love it. The non-hijabi girls can try this hijab styles, which is very easy, which you can wear in a party, weddings, etc. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon below. So instead of wasting time, let's start the video. Ta-da! So I'm gonna start with the simple hijab style first. So all you need to do is equal the parts, equal both the sides. Now fold the hijab from front, how much ever you need to fold. Then pin it in. Then pin it. But a safety pin. Many of them pin it with a hijab pin, but I don't think so. It's gonna be fit. It's gonna stay for a long time. Okay. After pinning it, take both the side of the hijab till the end. Now take a safety pin and together pin it in the end. It's like something like this. Okay, like so. Pin it both sides together. Okay. After pinning it, take both the sides and crisscross it. Crisscross it. Now in the gap, take it from the head. That's it, nothing much. Adjust it however you want to adjust. So if you want to see that, wait. So this is the first hijab look. It's simple, right? Okay, for the next hijab style, you need a bangle or a earring that should be small one. So one side should be the shorter one and another side should be the lengthier one. So as usual, fold it. So take the lengthier part, bangle or earring, whatever you use. Like so, till here. Okay. Now take the hijab from here, like it should fit, and pin it with hijab pin. Now take the hijab from here and take it back. Pin it over here for safety. Take the hijab from here like so. Like so, and pin it with a hijab pin. So that's it. Simple. So for the next hijab style, the accessory I'm gonna use it is everyone's favorite one, which is earrings. So let's do it. Oh, this is the most elegant hijab style. This is gonna look good in weddings. Ouch. I don't know what's wrong with my so folded top. So now you need to do is take a pen to keep it in a place. Pin it up here. Now take both the sides like so and pin it up. So that's it. If you want, you can style it in more classic way. You can take it like so and take it back, or else you can take both the sides, however you like. I would leave this like this. Maybe this earrings are not looking good or what, I don't know. So that's it. So for the next look, you need a bangle. You need a bangle. So one side should be the lengthier one and another side should be the shorter. So fold it as you like. Okay, now take the bangle. Take the bangle like so. Take the weight from the bangle. Now take the other side of the weight. Put it from hijab like so. Put it from another end. Take the shorter side back. So I feel this is so elegant. So next hijab style is so easy. This is gonna look good on western wear. Nothing you need to do. You need to equal the parts as usual. All you need is a cap. Wear it like so. This looks so cute and I love to take one side back and one side front. That's it. So for the last and final hijab style, you need 1 minute. You need rings. Yeah, you heard it right. You need rings. So as usual, fold the hijab from front, and one side should be the shorter one and another should be the lengthier one. Please guys, ignore the background. Take the hijab like so around your neck. Yeah, like this. Now take the other part and put it back like so. Now take the ring from the hijab. Now take one more ring. I love this hijab style. This hijab look is so classy. It look good on both Western and Indian wear too. So the last one. So that's it. Let me show you properly how it looks. That's it. This is my favorite hijab style. So that's it for today. I hope you guys liked all the hijab looks, and I wish you guys gonna try it. So if you like all my hijab styles or at least one hijab look, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. So guys, I post every single day different types of videos on Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Till we meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Be happy. Bye bye.